this video tutorial, we will see how to print number square pattern. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. We can see here in this pattern, every line having 5 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Along with every number, a space character is appended. So let's type code to print this pattern. Declare and initialize a variable I with 0. We are going to use while loop here while I less than 5. 5 is nothing but the required number of iteration, and at the end of every iteration we are going to increase I value by 1. So here I value will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. At the end of 5th iteration, I value will become 5. 5 less than 5 condition false and iteration is going to stop here. To print this type of pattern, we are going to use a nested while loop with one more variable j, nested while j less than 5. At the end of every iteration of nested while, increase j value by 1. So here, print the result, print j plus 1. Along with every number, a space character is appended. So use AND parameter with a single space. So here in the first line, iteration is going to start from 0. 0 less than 5, condition true, it is going to print 1. J value is going to increase by 1, so J value will become 1. 1 less than 5, condition true. So here it is going to print 2, then 3, then 4 and 5. So here, to complete the iteration of first line and to begin the iteration from the new line, we are going to use the print method outside this nested while. Save the file, run the file in the terminal py square.py. This is our expected square number pattern. In the next video tutorial, we will see another type of number square pattern.